worked hard on it to push one out. Fuck. Like, people that know me surprised as fuck. But just listen to it.